myself, Hanasha, Assistant Professor at LG Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So today we are going to study few more topics of system of linear equations and matrices. So let us begin with its first topic, that is rank of a matrix. First, let us start with the definition. So rank of a matrix A is equal to the number of non-zero rows in the row echelon form. That is, firstly you have to find the row echelon form and then count the number of non-zero rows. Now it is denoted by row A, right? For example, if you are given matrix A, which is in the row echelon form as 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, right? Now you can see there are in all total 2 non-zero rows in the row echelon form, right? So we can say that the rank of the matrix A is 2. That is, just we have to count the number of non-zero rows and ignore the zero rows. Okay. Now let us study the properties of rank of a matrix. So the first property is the rank of a matrix remains unchanged by elementary transformations. That is, however we apply the row operations, the rank remains same. Okay. The next property is the rank of the transpose of a matrix is same as that of the rank of the original matrix. So firstly, let me define the transpose of a matrix. Suppose you are given a matrix A as 1, 4, 5, 0, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, right? This is a given matrix A. Then what will be its transpose? That is, you have to interchange the rows and columns. That is, write this row in column form. So 1, 4, 5. Similarly, write the second row in column 0, minus 1, 2. Last row 0, 2, 3. So this is known as a transpose of a matrix, right? Now, what is the meaning of this property? So it states that rank of a transpose will be equals to rank of the original matrix A. Now, the last property is the rank of the product of two matrices cannot exceed the rank of the either of matrix. That is, if we do the product of two matrices AB, then it will be less or equals to rank of A, or it will be less or equals to rank of B. Okay. Now let us solve few examples based on this. The first example is we have to find the rank of the following matrix. So here you are given matrix A as 2, minus 2, 4, 1, 0, 3, 2, 0 and 6, right? Now in order to find the rank, we reduce the matrix A into row echelon form, right? So in order to reduce into row echelon form, we have to make leading one at the first position, right? So first we can do is we can divide the R1 by 2, or we can interchange row 1 and row 2. So what I will do is I will interchange first and second row. So on interchanging you will get 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 2, 4, 2, 0, 6. Now we have formed the leading one at this place. So now our task is to form zeros at these two positions. So we will use the following row operations. Firstly, we want to make a 0 in R2. So write R2 using what? R1. So write R1. Now just change the sign of this number. So you will write minus 2. Right? Similarly, you want to form 0 at R3. Right? Using what? R1. So write R1. Just change the sign of this number. So it will be minus 2 again. Now let us apply this row operations. So you will get first row will remain as it is. Now multiply the first row by minus 2 and add into R2. So what you will get? Minus 2 plus 2. So answer will be 0. Now 0 minus 2. So answer will be what? Minus 2. Lastly, minus 6 plus 4. So answer will be again minus 2. Similarly, you have to multiply the first row by minus 2 and add into R3. So you will get minus 2 plus 2, that will be 0. Now 0 plus 0, so again answer will be 0. Lastly, minus 6 plus 6, so again answer is 0. Now last step is remaining to form the row echelon form. That is, we have to make leading one at this place. So what we will do? We will divide our R2 by minus 2. Okay. So final answer will be, first row will remain as it is. Here it will be 0, 1, 1 and last row also will remain as it is. Now in order to find the rank, just count the number of non-zero rows. So there are total 2 non-zero rows. So the rank of our matrix A is equal to 2. Okay. Now next let us solve one more example. We have to find the rank of the following matrix, right? So let us start with the solution. So here you are given matrix A as 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, 2, 2, 3, minus 2, 0. Again we will form row echelon form, right? So what we have to do, we have to form zeros below the leading ones. But here we already have 0. So only we need to form 0 at this place. So which operation we will use? R3 minus 3R1. That is, we will multiply the first row with minus 3 and add into R3. So first two rows will remain as it is. Just multiply row 1 with minus 3 and add into R3. So what we will get? Minus 3 plus 3. So answer will be 0. Now 6 minus 2. So answer will be 4. Now 9 plus 0. So answer will be 9. Okay. Now our task is to form leading one at this position. So very simple step. What we will do? We will divide R2 by 2. Okay. So on dividing, you will get first and third row will remain as it is and the second row will become 0, 1, 1. Now we have formed leading one at this position. Now in order to form row echelon form, right, we have to form 0 at this place. So which row operation we will use? R3 minus 4 R2. That is, we have to multiply second row with minus 4 and add into R3. So first two rows will remain as it is. Just multiply row 2 with minus 4. So you will get 0 plus 0. So answer will be 0. Next, minus 4 plus 4. So again answer will be 0. Lastly, minus 4 plus 9. So you will get answer as 5. Right? Now the last step is remaining to form our row echelon form. That is, we have to divide this by 5. That is, we have to divide R3 by 5 and form leading one at this position. So again first two rows will remain as it is. Divide R3 by 5. So what you will get? 0, 0, 1. Now you can see we have formed the leading ones and there are zeros below it, right? So this is our desired row echelon form. Okay. Now count the number of non-zero rows. Now you can see that there are in all total 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, the rank of a matrix A is equals to 3. Okay. Now let us solve one more example. We have to find the rank of the following matrix. So let us start with the solution. So here you are given A as 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. And the last row is 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Now again we have to form the row echelon form, right? So here you have the leading one. So you have to form zeros at these two positions because you have 0 here already, right? So which row operations we will use? R2 plus 2R1 and R3 minus R1, right? So now what we will do is we will keep the first and the fourth row as it is and now we will multiply the first row by 2 and add into R2. So what you will get? 2 minus 2. So answer will be 0. Next, 4 minus 1. So answer will be 3. Next, 6 minus 3. So answer will be 3. Minus 2 minus 1. So again answer will be minus 3. Right? Now in the next step, you have to multiply row 1 by minus 1 and add into R3. So minus 1 plus 1. So answer will be 0. Minus 2 plus 0. Answer will be minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1. So answer will be minus 2. Here 1 plus 1. So answer will be 2. Okay. Now what we will do is we will take out 3 common from the second row and 2 common from the third row. Right. So we will get leading one and the second row. So on taking out common, what we will get? 1, 2, 3 minus 1. 0, 1, 1 minus 1. 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1. And 0, 1, 1 minus 1. That is first and last row remain as it is. Only there is a change in second and third row. Now you have formed your leading one at this position. So our task is to form zeros at this place and this place. So we will apply the following row operations, that is R3 plus R2 and R4 minus R2. Okay. So now first 2 rows will remain as it is. Just add R3 and R2. So what you will get? 0. Now 1 minus 1 again we will get 0. Minus 1 plus 1. So again the answer is 0. Now in the next step you have to multiply row 2 by minus 1 and add in R4. So what you will get? 0 minus 0. So answer is 0. Minus 1 plus 1. So answer will be again 0. Minus 1 plus 1. So answer will be again 0. Lastly 1 minus 1. So answer is 0 again. Okay. So here you can see the leading ones and there are 0 below it. Right. So this is our desired row echelon form of the given matrix. Now count the number of non-zero rows. So there are in all 2 non-zero rows in the row echelon form, right? Therefore, your rank of the given matrix will be equals to what? 2, right? So in today's session, we have studied the following topic, that is rank of a matrix, right? Which is denoted by rank of A. Okay. In order to find rank, what we will do is we will find row echelon form. Now what is row echelon form? We have to form zeros below the leading one. Okay. And after forming the row echelon form, you have to count the number of non-zero rows, right? And the number of non-zero rows will be equals to rank of a matrix A. Okay, so in short you have to find the row echelon form in order to find the rank of a matrix. So I hope you have understood throughout the session. Thank you for watching.